Okay, so I wanted to give you some tips and tricks on practicing Kundalini Yoga. So think of Kundalini Yoga as where you are allowing yourself to move where you're already mobile. What does that mean? You're already warm, moving in your joints where you can already move them. Knees, hips, shoulders being those main things. Back. So how are you feeling right now? Move into that place where you're already feeling okay. When we move in Kundalini Yoga, it's going to challenge you in a different way than any other yoga practice. And that's not a bad thing. Think of your Kundalini Yoga practice as building stamina, endurance. You're building strength, internal strength. You will definitely build muscle, but you're building more strength within you. So with that said, when we're doing some of the practice, recognizing what the difference is between challenge and strain and pain. Challenge is when the mind starts clicking, it comes in and it wants to move you from what you're doing because your mind's bored, it's becoming difficult, your muscles might be shaking or getting warm. So that's challenge. And when your mind starts going like that, that's actually amazing because you're reaching your edge. So when you get to that place, see if you can continue. Quitting is a habit. So when you get to that place of wanting to get out of whatever we're doing, see if you can hang in there for a little bit longer. That's how you allow yourself to get out of plateauing in life. So if you're just steady all the time and not allowing yourself to move forward, so this practice is about really trying to get you to move forward, allowing yourself every day to be 1% better. Strain and pain, if you feel any kind of pinching, any kind of, it just doesn't feel good, right? That's your nervous system trying to send a message to your brain saying, you gotta change what you're doing. So when that comes up, allow yourself to listen to it. Don't ignore the signals of your body. Allow yourself to then tune in. If we're doing something and we're standing, stand. Place your hands over your heart. Take a couple deep breaths. When you're ready to come back into it, come back into it. Or modify whatever we're doing. So if we're standing and we're moving our legs and we're moving your arms and your arms just need a break for whatever reason, bring your hands to your hips or your heart. Keep moving those legs. If we're moving our voice, chanting, keep moving the chant. That keeps the energy flowing, right? So don't quit. Take your pauses. Keep moving the breath. Keep moving the voice if that's what we're doing in that class. At any time you want to so all of the classes will have the descriptions. Please read the descriptions, and it'll tell you if it's a level 1, which is a beginner, maybe a level 2, which is going to be a little bit more advanced. And don't limit yourself. Allow yourself to kind of play with them all. Those of you who might be more chair students, do the best you can from your seat. Absolutely. And take the breaks as much as you need. Listen to your body. There's lots of little pauses within the Kundalini Yoga practice so that you can continue to stay connected here in your practice so that as you move into your world, you're beginning to notice, I'm feeling stressed. This doesn't feel good. This feels really good. It starts allowing you to tune into the emotions while you're doing life instead of shutting down and ignoring those emotions, or allowing you to move into, I've always wanted to do that, maybe I should. Okay, so Kundalini Yoga is a practice that I highly recommend. Give yourself one day at least to do maybe a Yoga Nidra or a Yin practice. So it's a very high vibrational practice. It allows you to wake up. The majority of the classes that are offered, I might have one on there that says something to do with for better sleep. That would be the only time I would suggest doing Kundalini Yoga after 4 o'clock. Kundalini Yoga is definitely a morning and afternoon practice because of the energy that it gives you. So with that, if you have any other questions about how you can modify as things come up for you, please send me a message. I would love to hear from you. And other than that, namaste, Sat Nam. We'll see you soon.